Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for coming. We're gonna have a good, wonderful, good stream today. Oh, good vibes only. If it any if
adorable Durgan you. Shame I can't stay up late.
I just no, ignore that. No. I appreciate that, Des. I don't know what that was. Apparently my computer got hacked and there's no prostate time. No, please ignore the prostate time. Yep, no, just ignore that. Wouldn't that be nice? Just cover it up. Wait, I can't cover it. Why not? Oh, motherfucker! 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 No! Oh my God! I don't know what they're talking about. I don't know what they're talking about. There's no prostate time. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Anyway, Train Yard, thank you very much for the 8 months. Thank you. Be Fire, thank you for the 33 months in a row. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hopefully, a can of Coca-Cola. I don't know. Not a prostate. Never mind. I was gonna say that. No, just I need to be quiet. Okay. What is happening to me right now? Ruba, thank you very much for the 2 months. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you're doing well. Comrade, thank you for the 2 months. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yep, that's a thing that occurred. So anyway, how is everybody's Thursday going? Has she seen the video? What video? Whoa! Can you don't? I think you got your point across. I think it's prostate. Okay, I think we got it. I think we're good. Yep, we're done with prostate time. Yeah, you can escape. Yeah, I can. I will be able to escape in a minute. Trickywi's navel piercing. Thank you very much for the 14 months. I appreciate it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like... Stop playing prostate time! That's enough of the prostate time!
Naughty, bad girl.
You gonna play Astarion too? During prostate... What's the song called? No, it's not My Leg, it's Prostate Time. Unfortunately. All right. Hello, Scamito.
Well
hi. Anyway, I've never been here, and I joined stream and I hear a song called Prostate Time. I'm confused. I would like to apologize for all of the prostate time that may have occurred here. Oh, but then there's a vampire. Oh, you can't put a headband right there. Hi. Okay. Nate, thank you very much for the 5 gifted sopas. I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
It's February. Is it time to raise the dragon again? 2 side notes. First, do you wear medium shirts? Second,
Small.
Did you know there's a Astarion statue that has his bits?
Pardon?
On your...
Oh, Penny! There's a penny over here! Oh, don't worry about it, don't worry. Chad, I got the penny. Let me pick that up really quick. Okay, we got the penny. Everything's fine. Alright, we got the penny. I saved the penny. Don't worry, Chad. I got the penny. What was your question?
Naughty, bad girl.
I'm literally trying to be good. I'm literally trying to be good. I'm here for Scoff. Thank you very much for the 5.
Don't worry.
Thank you. I appreciate the 5. Get this of us. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anyway, we're gonna have a wonderful time today. Yes, we're gonna have a nice, lovely day with us, with